Hey, what's up, Gala coin holder? If you want to get a profit from Gala, you will need, my friends, to must watch this video. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. So please research personally before you take any decision. My friends, Gala coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency in the crypto market. But this time you can see here the Gala coin price were fails down minus 5.1% in last 24 hours. Absolutely, this is temporary fails. So don't worry, my friend. I hope to after this fails they will again starting pumping up. The market cap you can see, my friend, 6 billion, my friend, and absolutely the market cap is increasing if a holder are starting investing. So remember, to this time the market cap is gone good now. 24-hour trading volume you can see at 1 billion, and fully diluted market at 4 billion, circulating supply 7 billion, and trading supply you can see at 3 billion, and you can see my friend max supply is 50 billion. Congratulations, my friends, to this time. As my friend, as you can see, your Gala coin will completely on the trending, and but in last 24 hours, my friend, they will fails down. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, the chart is completely show you, my friend, to this coin will fails down. But don't pay my brother. I am 100% sure to upcoming time, Gala coin will give you a profit. But it is possible if a holder are starting investing. So therefore, you will need, my friends, to hold down. And if you are starting investing, so I hope, my friends, to Gala coin will give you a profit. In last 1 hour, 0.9% price is decreased. In last 24 hour minus increase, my friend, sorry. But in last 24 hour minus 5.2% decrease. In last 7 days, oh my goodness, minus 19.5% fails down. But in last 24 hours, 6.7%. That's mean, my friends, to in the start of this month, absolutely this coin will get a very good profit. In last 30 days, congratulations, 336% they will get a profit. In last 1 year, 14,345% they will get a profit. Oh my goodness, it's really huge profit, my friend. You can see here. Congratulations. And this time, how do you feel about today, my friends? So I'm feeling very good now. You can see 77% people tell us, my friends, to this time you can see everything is going good and absolutely everything is going fine. So please, Gala coin holder, if you want to get a profit, you will need, my friends, to follow my advice. I hope, my friends, you will earn a lot of. So therefore, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more stuff informative and urgent updates videos. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.